Hello and welcome to Selection Sathi. Today we will learn Java Multithreading, Thread class, Runnable Interface, Synchronized Keyword, and the Thread Lifecycle. Multithreading is a favorite topic in Java interviews and Gate. The first way to create a thread is extending the thread class. Override the run method with your task code. Call start to launch the thread, never call run directly. Calling run executes in the current thread. Start creates a new one. The limitation is you cannot extend another class due to single inheritance. The preferred way is implementing the runnable interface. Override run, then pass your runnable to a thread constructor. This lets your class extend another class if needed. With Java 8 lambdas, you can use new thread lambda start even shorter. The synchronized keyword prevents race conditions. A synchronized method locks on this object. A synchronized block locks on a specified object. Only one thread can hold the lock at a time. Other threads wait until the lock is released. The thread lifecycle has 5 states. New thread is created but start not called. Runnable start called, waiting for CPU time. Running actively executing the run method. Blocked or waiting, waiting for a lock or signal. Terminated, run method completed or an exception was thrown. Creating a thread by extending thread. Class numThread extends thread, override run to print 1 to 5. New numThread.start launches it in a new thread. The numbers print concurrently with the main thread. Using runnable with a lambda. Runnable task is a lambda that prints hello 3 times. Create a thread with this task, then call start. The lambda syntax is much cleaner than creating a separate class. Fixing a race condition with synchronized. A counter class has an int count. Without synchronized, 2 threads incrementing 1000 times each might give less than 2000. Add synchronized to the increment method. Now count is exactly 2000, the lock prevents simultaneous access. Observing thread states. Create a thread, check state, it's new. Call start, check again, it's runnable. While it's sleeping inside run, state is timed_waiting. After join which waits for completion, state is terminated. Key multithreading tips. Always call start, never run directly. Prefer runnable over extending thread to keep inheritance free. Keep synchronized blocks small, lock only the critical section. Use thread.join to wait for a thread to finish. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.